Hello everyone, have a good day. I hope everybody is keeping safe in their house. I have uploaded my first video today and I started my YouTube career today itself. This is my second video. This is for the students of class 11 and 12 of CBSE. They have new writing skills totally apart from the ones that they have done in class 9 and 10. In class 11, the first and foremost thing, and the most important thing, which comes in the class 12's question paper also, as the first or the second question in the passage, is to make notes. What are notes? Notes are actually important points out of a lecture, out of an article, out of something, a particular topic, you can say. And suppose anybody is listening to a lecture of 2 hours, the whole thing is not going to remain in his or her head for quite a long time. But when they take down the notes or when they take down the points and they are segregated under headings and various subheadings, it becomes very easy for them to understand the whole thing in a very compact manner. So, here we are going to talk about note making. What is note making? A paragraph will be given, which will actually a paragraph or a topic will be given where 5 to 8 paragraphs will be there. Maybe each paragraph will contain a certain part of the topic discussed, or maybe 2 or 3 paragraphs will contain the same thing. We have to segregate, group, or classify under headings and subheadings. We have to provide a heading first and then continue our work by providing subheadings, and later under that few points which we think are important. The rest of them we can leave. Then we can also use broken sentences. We can use initials or abbreviations, like we can use for breakfast BRKFST. We can avoid the vowels. We have to prepare this within 100 to 150 words. Maybe the paragraph is of 600 to 700 words, but we have to use our brains very meticulously. We have to sort out the important points under headings and subheadings. First, there will be a main heading, then leaving 2 lines, you will have to write the heading of the first or the second paragraph which comes under a certain topic. Then points will be given. You have to write down the points by putting bullets, or like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Now this 1.3 can also be further divided into 1.3.1, 1.3.2, 1.3.3. Such kind of segregations will be there 3 or 4 times. In different paragraphs, different issues might be discussed. Let's take for an example natural calamity. A topic on natural calamity is given. You mention the title as natural calamity. Then below that, causes of natural calamity, given points. Types of natural calamity, giving points. Effects of natural calamity, giving points. And then comes how to prevent them or how to detect them beforehand, the points. The method of detection, the cause of damage, the types may also vary within the points itself. That means points can also be further divided into sub points. You can use broken sentences, you can use initials, abbreviations. Then after that, you need to make a summary by focusing on these points which you have used. And then you can do one thing. Write a summary in 80 words using the points which you had done in note making. These both are the part of note making writing skill. 5 plus 5, that is 5 marks for note making and 5 marks for the summary. And this comes as a second question in the English paper. It starts right from class 11. And in the board also, this is one of the main questions. You have to attempt it. It's a compulsory part. There is no option left. So this is what I had to talk about. Note making, the procedure, the summary in 80 words. And after writing the note making, you have to also mention key, K-E-Y. Yes, in that, suppose you are using abbreviations, you have to minimum use 5 or 10. It should not increase to 50 or something. You can keep it till 20. You have to mention the initials and you have to write the full forms like BRKFST dash breakfast, EVNG evening, MRNG morning. The similar way we use in WhatsApp messages, we have to use here also, because we are taking down notes. We don't have time. We have to take in the notes. We have to take in the important points and leave behind the rest of the thing. The whole concept has to be clear within us. That is what is note making. Note making is very practical in our life. When we take any lessons of any subject from any teacher, we also tend to write study points. So study points, note making, they are similar to each other. That is why we in class 11 and 12 are learning how to do note making, so that it can help us in our college days or further studies. Because the lecture will be long and we will not be able to note down the whole thing, or the whole thing cannot be kept in our mind. So this is where note making comes handy. So if we learn in our English part, then it will be very helpful in our future life, or it will be like very practical, because it will help us taking the notes initially and effectively and efficiently. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Please motivate me to make me such more videos by improving lot and lot. Thank you very much.